Hello, my name is Faris Rifki, and I'm from PZ Cussons, Indonesia. And I just joined two better trainings, the soft skill trainings, including the communication skill and the business presentation skill. This very necessary skill in nowadays world, because you know that people are always looking for hard skill, but they forget the soft skill. So, how are you gonna deliver your ideas if you are not capable at doing these kind of soft skill? So from these two trainings, I get some new ideas at delivering my presentation and also to communicate with other and to adapt with others' communication style. So this is very beneficial for me because I am a new employer too here. So it's good for the company and for me also in the near future. Thank you.